clapped.
Oh god. No, I'm not even joking.
Put it back up. Put it back up.
I'm not even joking.
G'day guys! We're here today doing a rebuild on Mr. Reese's bike. Hopefully it's just going to be a top end rebuild and we'll be riding out of here within the hour.
Hour sounds good. Hour sounds good.
Good luck with
First of all, we're doing a top end rebuild on Mr. Reese's 200. It's a 2008 EXC and top end is happening tonight.
Yep.
What's the first thing? What have you done first?
Taking the seat off.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm taking the fuel tank off.
Yep.
Just to get a bit of view in there.
Awesome. Bit of room. And I can see the actual trade qualified mechanic is working hard over there. Typical mechanic. So we've got seat off, tank off, then we're going to do exhaust off, and then water pipes, I think.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Blue juice. Is that purple drink? So far we've got the radiators off, all the water pipes and everything off, and drained the cool blue fluid stuff. Exhaust guards have been taken off, and exhaust as well has been taken off. I think that's on there. Alright, so we've got the head bolts off now, ready to go. We're probably going to need some sort of mallet. Not sideways, up. Oh.
Oh, clapped.
Oh god. No, I'm not even joking.
Put it back up. Put it back up.
I'm not even joking.
It's cracked, isn't it?
You can see it massive.
Oh, has it got a massive score mark?
No, it's cracked.
Cracked?
Yeah, you can feel it.
Oh, wow. Oh, your chainsaw should have come in pink packaging. Yeah, you know.
See? Weirder than it's all. The back turns. No, again.
Welcome back to night number 2.
2 up now.
Where did we leave last time? What was happening?
Yeah, we're NRL now.
He doesn't want to talk.
Oh, now it's
He's done. So last time we left Reese, he was with a crack in a cylinder head, and he's gone and got that fixed and repaired, and now re-nickel-sealed, and so it's all just coming back together now.
Oh, come on, Reese. Your strokes are way too short.
When you turn it 180 degrees, it's freer.
A bit sloppy.
JoeJoeMoto coming right at you. Please, yes. Hey Reese, what do you reckon the scrap value of this is?
Just asking, like just out of curiosity.
Brutal.
I'm more and more interested in that value at the moment.
Right, so the cylinder bore's all back together now after its re-nickel coating and fixing up and welding and whatever. And we've just put the power valve back in and adjusted everything up. And now we're on to putting the piston back in, not back in because it's a new one, putting a new piston in, and we're on to the fun circlip action. The 200's a lot easier, these are a lot springier and nicer, so that's a good thing. At the moment we're doing the X value on the bike. We put a 0.5 in and we just added one more to be 0.6 or so, and I think we should be getting pretty close on this one, I think. So we've moved way ahead. We didn't really film too much of it, but lots of it's back together and we're getting really close. So this is how we roll at the JoeJoeMoto race team. It's build your own funnel time.
When you wear your thong.
Oh.
I'm taking my long. Just like this.
So Reese, can you tell us what's happening right now? Give us a life update.
We're putting a plug in.
Okay, so pulled the plug out, check the plug, there's a bit of bark in there.
Thanks to the line. Is that my joke?
It came with the plug.
I didn't ask for that.
So the plug was a bit wet, How would you rate the compression compared to what it was before?
More?
More. On a scale of 1 to 10, more. So accurate.
You didn't give me a scale to work.
Okay. All systems are go. Smash it. Let me have a kick too, though. Come on. Okay, what have we got here, Reese? Tell me that.
Jerk off.
Yeah.
A lot more like that was second and third, but not up in band. And
Yeah, picking up.
up a bit, so.
That's awesome. Great success.
Great success.